to fix iPhone message not delivering. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's start with the basic check. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and simply check your internet connection. Long press on the Wi-Fi and check if you are connected to your Wi-Fi network or not. If not, then you can also toggle on the cellular data. Once you do so, go back to the home screen and look for the settings app, and all you have to do is simply tap on it. Now scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps. Then inside app scroll and look for the messages option available there and simply tap on it. Once inside the messages, scroll down and make sure that your iMessage option is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then toggle it on and send the message again. Once you do so, go back to the settings again, and once you are back there, tap on the general option available in there. Then scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset in there and tap on the reset all settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.